Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also get us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a telephone that Steve sent in from New York, and this is a GTE and A&E basically. And this is a pretty cool telephone. This was kind of GTE's, A&E's answer to, say, the Princess phone that Western Electric had. So it's a pretty cool telephone. A lot of people like these, and they'll search them down to even get a hold of them. And they're really a cool telephone. So that kind of gives you a look at their design of a smaller type, trimline Princess phone, whatever. But that was kind of their answer to it. I'm not even got this is initial checkout. I don't even have this telephone plugged in because it wouldn't do any good. This telephone came to me with a keypad totally disconnected. And this is going to be a conversion. This telephone, although it has the touch tone buttons, if you notice here where a star and pound would be, you don't see them, do you? They're not on the keys. The reason why they're not on the keys is because this telephone had what looked like a touch tone keypad actually dialed out in rotary, and you won't see a star and a pound because it didn't have them. And so it's a kind of a rarity. This is kind of this telephone's kind of caught in the middle of between touch tone and rotary. Where they were gearing up to get rotary, and turn it into touch tone, but this telephone dials out in pulse or rotary, however you want to, different people call it different things, but it's a rotary telephone basically with a touch tone keypad. And I'm going to give you a look at the inside. That is the board that runs the pulses or the rotary. When you hit a key, it turns it into the rotary signal and sends it out. And this was all loose. The telephone has been gotten into, and it was sent to another repair company who in return advised the customer that it needs to come to A1 Telephone. And that is not uncommon. We get a ton of phones in from other repair companies that just either they don't want to get involved in the situation that has to, of the repair of the telephone, or they're just not, they just can't repair the telephone basically. So we get telephones in all the time that other companies will send us, and this is one of them. So basically what's got to happen here is it's going to have a conversion. We're going to keep the original bell. We're going to get rid of this, a lot of this electronics on this main board here. You can see some transformer and some caps and stuff. A lot of that we're going to lose. We're going to install a newer style touch tone board, and we are going to wire it to this keypad if we can. This keypad is more of a mechanical keypad, and I thought that I would go into this keypad, and if we can pull it off, I'm going to use this keypad. If I can't, I'm going to have to get some type of an electronic keypad that has some traces in it and wire up to that. Or I might be able to take this keypad and build a board with momentary switches on it, momentary little buttons, and install it on this board and have the original keys pushed down on the momentary switches and use this actual keypad, but remove some of these components off of it and remove that board, and have our build our own switchboard and basically redesign the keypad also. So we're going to lose a lot of these older electronics here. We're going to lose this board back here and possibly the whole keypad. If we can save it, we will. If we can't, then that's just what we have to do. We're going to save the original bell. And this board will probably still be sitting here, but these components won't be on it to give us the room we need. Because I want to utilize the original hook switch situation. You kind of had a unique hook switch situation, and I want to be able to reuse that. And I need this board because it's mounted onto this board. So we're going to keep that intact. And we don't have a lot of room here to work in. So we're just going to, try to do the best we can by getting everything in. But it brings the telephone back to life. And that's what's cool. Getting an old telephone that would normally not ever be used again, really, other than just a regular extension phone, and converting it to a useful situation, which you can't beat that, because here we have an old stylish telephone, and they're not making this stuff anymore, so you're not going to ever get it again. And converting it into a more modern, usable situation, so the customer is going to be happy when we get done with this telephone. So he'll be able to use it and dial out, and he'll even have the star and pound function. So we're just putting this telephone back into a usable state, and in all the way, instead of just using it for an extension phone. That's basically just an initial checkout video. We'll try to do some more videos on this telephone as we move along with it, and give you some idea of what it takes to convert a telephone like this. We will also have to change the transmitter and the receiver, because on a more modern board, the original transmitter and receiver capsule will not work on a newer style board, and so we'll have to change that too. That gives you a little bit of a look at a GTE. They even have it here, GTE A&E. There you go. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.